Today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a fireball, triple fireball cannon. So let's just get right into it. And before that, please like, subscribe, share, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So please enjoy the video. After I just switch my skin back. Okay, the things you need are dispensers, redstone dust, redstone repeater, lever, and fire charge, and any block you want. So I will choose nether gold door. I know it's a pretty bad choice. So then to start off this build, first make a very quick redstone clock by placing these two in opposite directions. Then place two redstone over here and over here. Then place a lever and click as fast as you can 2 times. Like that. Like if you click fast enough, you would get it would be moving like this. Otherwise, it would be like it will just keep like this. So you have to try to get it very fast, like like that. After a few attempts, you might be able to get it, and then just wait for it. And then the next thing you have to do is take your block you want, place it in a 3 by 3, then and build this like this, and then now no, 1 sec. Yeah, this is the structure you want to make, and then just 1 2 3. And after making that, you have to shift and you have to right click the redstone on the dispensers. Otherwise, if you wanted to right click on the dispensers, this would happen. So then shift right click on the dispensers and then get your redstone, do this, and just push it a little up over here, just like that. Yeah, that's pretty much of it, of the build, I think. Just test it out. Yeah, the redstone goes that far. So that's one part of the build done. Now the second part is again pretty simple. You have to just take the fire charge and just spread it all over all the dispensers. Like like this. Just put as many as fireballs you can, just put it inside this dispenser. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the build. So then now I'll just show a demonstration to couple of mobs. Like these mobs will start roaming. I'll just make the difficulty too hard. I'll slash time set night. Yup. Now I think the mobs will spawn, and then so then this is how it works. You have to really quickly like just disconnect it before you just do it. I mean like by I mean like disconnect. Just do this, and then now you have to just click it really fast like this. No, if you click it faster like that, and now once that's done, really quickly just place the redstone over here on this block, and this block really quickly. So then 3 2 1. Just look at that. Just look at that. Like if there were mobs nearby, it would like burn them. And I kind of have a mini game. So then you have to like one second, let me just switch this off. So then the mini game is with this cannon is like like uh, you have to get some white and black block. So then for the white blocks I would get quartz, and for the black block, what shall I take? For the black block I'll take this. nether bricks, and then you have to this, 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 this. You have to make it all the way very far. And then to start the mini game, you have to first switch this on, and when the fireball is shooting, jump over here and start running with a with a water bucket, with a water bucket, and try to get as far as you can. Then just mark it to see how many blocks, and you have to like get this little low. So for that, you can just bonk, bonk, bonk. You can break this over here. Just break that. Oh, that's lot of fireballs. And then just, yeah, I'll just switch this off cause again this will get powered on by that. Let me just put everything in this dispenser. Actually, in this mini game, to make it easier, you should do it with one dispenser. To make it slightly harder, do it with two. And to play the hardest difficulty, just make it 3 or 4 or 5 as how much ever you can. Okay, now I'll just give you an example of the mini game. To get a water bucket. Okay, got it. Let's switch this to my first inventory slot. So slash time set morning. I mean slash time set day. Let me just quickly change the difficulty peaceful. Now let's see how far I can go. Let me just change it to game mode to survival. Just wait for my health to come back up. Okay, now 3, 2, 1. What happened? Why isn't this working? Oh, yeah, I forgot. Nope, nope, no, no, no. You have to first place it up over here. That's the part I forgot. And now quickly I just... Okay, let's go. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, yeah, this game's really hard, this mini game. Like, oh god. The fireballs also do some damage. Like, it does about 3 hearts, I guess. Let me see. Or you can even do this, like, you can make a... Hate burning. You can make a big wall like this. You can put a... And you can make only one of those things. You can make a zombie run. Like, there's a villager over there. And I think the zombie sense thing is 50 blocks away. So then, like, you can keep the villager over there. You can make walls, and then you have to, and the zombies should try to make it across without getting hurt. Or you can download one of those mods, the fighting mod. I think no, the mod. No, I forgot the mod name. I think it's like, yeah, mob battle mod. In that you can just, let me try to hit this thing. No, you can't. So then in the mob battle mod you can just like pretty simple, like there's one zombie over here, there's a wand. You can just click the zombie with the wand and then you can just go all the way and then just again like as far as you want, I think 100 blocks away, and just like left click the zombie over there, and then again over here just spawn a skeleton or something, and just like that you can make you can make a mini game for zombies and yourself, which is very hard. They're all out. The sound is really irritating, so I'll just switch it off. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Okay, fine, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment down. Yeah, that's pretty much it.